Hello friends, welcome back to one more sequence and series problems. The problem is in an AP if mth term is n and the nth term is m, where m is not equal to n, find the pth term. So m term means mth term equal to formula Tn formula will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term will be a plus m minus 1 into d is n. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d is m. So this is equation 1 and this is equation. So subtracting equation 1 minus equation 2. So we'll get n minus m equal to a plus m minus 1 into d minus a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus m minus 1 into d minus a minus of n minus 1 into d. So a get cancelled. This is m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d. This is n minus m. So simplifying this, n minus m equal to m into d, m d. D into minus 1 is minus d, n into d, nd minus nd. So minus into minus plus d. So minus d plus d got cancelled. So md minus nd. So n minus m equal to d, m minus n equal to d. This can be written minus, so m minus n we can written multiply minus, so d into m minus n. So d into this will go inside minus m plus n. This can be written d into m n minus m. So this is n minus m. Here this is n minus n. This got cancelled. So here this is here minus will be there. So d equal to minus 1. Here we can substitute d is minus 1. Any one equation d is minus 1. So n equal to a plus m minus 1. D value is minus 1. So a plus m minus 1 into minus 1. So a plus m into minus 1 minus m plus into this is minus 1 minus into minus plus 1. So n this will go this is minus, this will go this side, this got plus m, this is minus 1 equal to a. We got a value and d value, so we can find a pth term. Pth term will be a plus p minus 1 into d. We got a, we got d, so a value is n plus m minus 1 plus p minus 1 into d value is minus 1. So n minus m minus 1 minus into minus minus p minus into minus plus 1. So this minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. So n minus m minus p will be the pth term value. So thanks for watching.